We begin tonight with a major decision from the state Supreme Court. Justices ruled against the state's fetal heartbeat law today, saying it violates the state's constitution.
News 19's Becky Buds has been following the story today. She joins us tonight live outside the State House with details on how state lawmakers are reacting. Becky?
JR, Democrats today are celebrating the decision, while Republicans are calling it a disappointment. The abortion ban signed into law nearly 2 years ago has been temporarily blocked while the court weighed in on it. Today's decision means abortion is legal in South Carolina up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. The majority opinion stated that while the state may limit a person's right to privacy, quote, any such limitation must be reasonable and afford a woman sufficient time to determine she is pregnant and take reasonable steps to terminate that pregnancy. For the justices, 6 weeks was too little. Some state lawmakers had tried to pass an even stricter ban during a special session this summer, but that effort failed. Lawmakers from both sides of the aisle tell me the fight over this issue is far from over.
All South Carolinians should be pleased that the Supreme Court has upheld the right to privacy. I mean, our state constitution specifically has in it that people will be free from unreasonable invasions into the privacy of their persons.
Who knows where they're going to stop? Because we've now opened up Pandora's box, and so I think you're going to see a lot of debate now as to what we do and what our response is, because this can't be left unchallenged, regardless of where a person is on the abortion question.
According to the Center for Reproductive Rights, this is the first state Supreme Court to decide whether abortion is a state constitutional right. Live at the State House, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Becky, thank you so much. The decision today didn't make Governor Henry McMaster happy, saying the court exceeded their authority and found a right in our Constitution which was never intended. McMaster also said he will work with the General Assembly to correct what he calls an error. The head of the South Carolina Democratic Party also released a statement today. Trav Roberts says the decision today is a voice of reason and sanity to temper the Republicans' legislative actions to strip rights away from women and doctors. He added that the right to privacy is paramount to the health of all South Carolinians.